Hi, this is Mahesh, SA Social from DPHS Veltapur. Today, we know about the most important topic is about the chain of tank system under the part of Dokur village on the Plateau region. Actually, in the earlier time, most people of the in Telangana, like a Plateau region, depending upon rainy water to growing their crops. But the water is available only in rainy season. So the people faced severe problem, the shortage of water during the time of non-rainy season. That's why some rulers identified to solve this kind of problem. So like you take example, Kakatiya rulers, they introduced the chain of tank system. In this system, the Kakatiya rulers are built many tanks. Why the tanks are built? Because of to capture the rainy water, particularly to capture the rainy water and use it to the field during the time of non-rainy season. If you take example, one chain of tank system, in those time, this is a chain of system. If the tank filled here, after the filling of the tank system, the water, excess water discharge it to the another tank. And this is first tank is Devarkadra. After filling up the discharged water deep into the next tank, that is Pedacheru. So when the Pedacheru filled after, the water discharged into another tank that is known as Dokur village. Is located in the Dokur village. The next tank is Chakali Koikunta. After the filling of the Chakali Koikunta, then water again discharged into another tank that is known as Vanivampu. Another tank is Vadivampu. If you take example, plain region of Andhra Pradesh, that is very easy to water converted to the field from the canals because of the area completely flat area. That area, the people belongs to that area not face any water problem. But like the Telangana region, this is a plateau region. The land is ups and down. That's why the water is not available in most of the places. So after the not only use the water to the field, but also the water used to the supply to the water. The water is very most important to recharging to the groundwater. The tanks are also very useful to the recharging the groundwater. The water is the most important thing is to stop the soil erosion. The tank is very useful to prevent the soil erosion. Through the tanks, there are many uses are there. Identify the Kakatiya ruler. Okay, next one we are going to give the slogan. Our village, our tank. Our village, our tank. Our village, our tank. Manavuru, Manavuru, Manavuru.